Hi reception. Wow, you're all superstars doing fabulous phonics work at home. I was really impressed. So we're going to be doing some writing, okay? For the first bit, we're going to practice writing some of those sounds that we practiced yesterday. So I need you to find a piece of paper or a pencil or a whiteboard if you're lucky to have one at home, okay? And we're going to go and have a go at writing the A sound, okay? Or ah. So if you can remember the rhyme, we have to go round the apple and then down the leaf. Okay, here we go. Round the apple and down the leaf. Now remember which way you have to go. Always this way round. Okay, so then we can make it easier to come down our leaf. So let's try that again. Round the apple, down the leaf. Well done. Pause the video and have another couple of goes. Okay, how did you do? I'm sure you did a brilliant job. Okay, we're now going to have a go at writing our B sound, our b. Okay, so for this one, we have to go from the top of the boot, down to the heel and around the laces. Okay, so from the top of the boot to the heel and around the laces. Let's try that one again. Down the boot to the heel and around the laces. Well done. Pause the video and have a go. You're doing a great job. Keep going. Okay, so the next one we're going to have a go at is our curl around the caterpillar. That's our C or K sound. Okay, this one's very, very simple. Curl around the caterpillar. Let's try that one again. Curl around the caterpillar. Have another go. You're doing a great job, okay? We've got 3 more letters we're going to have a go at today. So our next one, some of you may have realised we're going in the order of the alphabet, okay? So we're going to do our D sound, our D. Now this one can get a little bit confused with our B. Sometimes we write them the other way round, okay? So you need to look at it really carefully. So for this one, we start off and we go round the dinosaur's bottom, up his tall neck and down to his feet. Let's try that one again. Round the dinosaur's bottom, up his tall neck and down to his feet. Try to keep your pen or pencil on the paper. Don't take it off while you're doing your letters, okay? Have a go. Okay, well done. 2 more to go. So the next one is our sound. And for this one, we have to lift off the top and scoop out the egg to make our E. Lift off the top and scoop out the egg. Pause the video and have a go. Well done. Okay, our last sound today is that one that we learnt yesterday. Okay, can you remember the rhyme? Well done. We need to draw the flower and then the leaf. Let's try it again. Draw the flower and then the leaf. Well done. Have another couple of goes. Excellent job. Okay, so we're now going to look at a new sound. Some of you may know this one already because we have practiced it and we did look at it yesterday as well. Here it is. It's our all sound, okay? Now, we can have one all on its own. We can also have 2 alls together for a digraph, okay? Just like we had with our F sound yesterday, you can have 1 on its own or you can have 2 together. It's exactly the same with our all, but we just do the same action. You would just use your 2 hands, all, when we make our digraph, okay? Now, I'm going to give you a little bit of a clue. When we get to the end of a word, this is when we most likely will have 2 of those together. At the beginning of the word, it's 1, okay? So when we're writing some words later, which we will be, and we're practicing our all sound, if it's at the end of the word, it's probably going to be 2, and if it's at the beginning, it will be 1, okay? Now you can see our capital O here is literally a line down and across. So it's quite an easy capital letter, and it's fairly similar to our lowercase one. Okay, so we're going to have a practice of writing this one. And all we need to do with our magic pen is go down the leg. That's it. That's easy, isn't it? Let's try again. Down the leg. Let's see if we can do it on our hand. Ready? Down the leg. And again. Down the leg. Easy. Okay, have a go at writing some on your whiteboard or your piece of paper. Okay, how did you do? Yeah, that's an easy one to do, isn't it? Okay, so we're now going to have a practice of writing some of our words. So I'm just going to clean my letters off, and you can show everybody at home how we write our phoneme frame. Okay, so remember, we need to draw our rectangle first. There it is. And then we need to draw 2 lines down to separate it into 3 boxes. 1, 2. We now have our phoneme frame. So remember, 1 sound goes in each box. And if we have 2 letters that make our 1 sound, so our digraph, like our L or our F or our K sound, they need to go in the same box. Okay, if it's a digraph, it still makes 1 sound, so that goes in 1 box. Okay, so the first word I want you to try and have a go at home is leg. Leg. What sound can you hear first of all? Pop it in the first box. What's the second sound? Leg. That goes in the second box. And then what's the last sound you can hear? Leg. Leg. G, g, g. And pop it in this box. You ready? Okay, let's have a look. O. E. G. And we pop our sound buttons underneath. Did you remember those? Well done if you did. Leg. Leg. Well done. Now remember, you don't need to rub it all off if you've got a whiteboard. You can use your rubber, just like magic. Take it all off, ready to write again. But if you have a piece of paper, you'll need to draw yourself another frame. Okay, you ready? Here's the next word. Fill. Fill. What's the first sound you can hear? Fill. Well done. Let's write that one in. What's the second sound? Fill. Fill. I, I, I. Can we write that in the next box? Down the insect and give it a head. Well done. What's the last sound we can hear? Fill. Fill. Oh, it's that all sound, isn't it? What's our last sound? There's a clue. What do you need to write in there? Okay. 2 together are all sound. Well done. And because it's our digraph, this time we put our line underneath to show that. Fill. Fill. Like we're filling up a water bottle. Okay, 2 more to go. So either rub out your boxes or draw yourself another one. Excellent. Are you ready? Okay, the next word, lot. Lot. I have a lot of toys. Lot. What's the first sound you can hear? Okay, what's the second sound you can hear? Lot. And what's the last sound you can hear? Lot. Okay, you ready? L. O. T. lot, lot. Great work, well done. You're being amazing this morning. Okay, let's try one last word. Keep going, you're doing a grand job. Okay, your last word is fell. I fell onto the floor. Fell. What's the first sound? Fell. What's the next sound you can hear for the middle box? Fell. And what's the last sound you can hear? Fell. Okay, are you ready? Eh. Ooh, how many? Well done. 2 to make our digraph. It's at the end of the word, isn't it? Fell. Fell. Well done. Amazing work. Okay, we're going to have a go at just reading 2 sentences. Okay, here we go. This one's really hard because we want to say put. It's not quite put. We say put for that word. That is really hard, that one. Put. A, well done. D, o, o. Doll. I, n, in. A, great work. K, o, t, cot. Put a doll in a cot. Excellent. Okay, one more sentence. Let's have a try at this one. You ready? Sit. Sit. On. On. Top. Top. Off. Off. Tricky word. Excellent. The. Rocks. Rocks. Well done. Sit on top of the rocks. I think you were absolute superstars. Brilliant effort. Well done. Can you give yourselves 2 claps? I think you did a great job. Okay. Well done, reception. Enjoy the rest of your tasks. And I'll see you again for another phonics session very soon.